Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I am so excited for today's tutorial because we are making this absolutely adorable aesthetic crochet friendship bracelet. If you take a look at the design, it features a beautiful structured mesh style band, a striking contrast flower centerpiece, and a neat little button closure to secure it. It's the perfect handmade gift for your bestie or a lovely little accessory to add to your own collection. Got everything ready? Grab a cozy drink, settle in, and let's get crafting. Alright, let's start with our green yarn to create the bracelet band. We want to ensure it's sturdy, but has a bit of give. First, we are going to start with a slip knot, and we will begin by casting on exactly 45 chains. Take your time here to keep your tension nice and even. If you are making this for a very small wrist or a slightly larger one, you can adjust the chain count, but 45 is our sweet spot for a standard, comfortable fit. Let's count them out together. Perfect! That's 45 chains completed. Now, let's move on to the second row to give our band that gorgeous, breathable window texture. For the second row, we are going to work in double crochets, but with a specific pattern. We will be leaving one stitch open in the middle between each double crochet. To start, chain 2 for your height. Yarn over, skip a stitch, and work your first double crochet into the next chain. Then, chain 1, skip the next chain on your foundation line, and work a double crochet into the one after that. See how that creates a beautiful, neat ladder effect? Repeat this all the way down the line. Double crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. I'll fast forward slightly here, but feel free to pause the video if you need a moment to catch up to the end of the row. When you reach the very end, fasten off your yarn. Leave a small tail for weaving, and there is your base band. It should look exactly like the structured green strap in our reference photo. Now for the star of the show, the statement flower. We're going to create this into distinct stages, the deep green center, followed by the striking white petals. To start the flower center, we are going to form a magic ring using our green yarn. Inside this magic ring, we are going to work a neat circle of stitches to create a solid, bold core. Let's place our stitches inside the loop. Pull the tail tight to close the center completely, and slip stitch to join the round. Now, let's switch over to our vibrant white yarn to bring those petals to life. Fasten your white yarn onto any stitch along the edge of your green circle to give the petals that elongated, elegant shape. We are going to use triple crochets yarn over twice. Insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, and pull through 2 loops at a time until your stitch is complete. To create a distinct petal shape, we'll chain 2. Work 2 triple crochets into the same stitch, chain 2, and slip stitch back down. Then move to the next stitch to start the next petal keep. working your way around the green circle. As you see, the triple crochets give the petals fantastic height and a beautifully defined edge that contrasts beautifully against the dark center finish. Up the remaining petals around the ring. Apply a precise dab of hot glue to the center of the band and carefully press the back of your flower down onto it. Hold it firmly for a few seconds to let the glue set securely. This ensures the flower stays perfectly in place without twisting while you wear it. And there you have it, a beautiful, custom-made, aesthetic crochet friendship bracelet. It is lightweight, incredibly stylish, and looks so elegant on the wrist. If you enjoyed making this project with me today, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below telling me what colors you chose for your bracelet. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more cozy crochet tutorials. Tag me in your creations if you post them. Absolutely love seeing your work. Thank you so much for watching. Happy crocheting! And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!